welcome to the vlog. We're getting a little bit of a later start on today's vlog. I just swallowed a chip the wrong way and I thought I was over the coughing, but I'm not. I think that's God's way of telling me I shouldn't be eating Doritos. So, like I said, we're getting a later start to today's vlog. It is 1:30 and I went to work this morning, came back and showered, just because I woke up late this morning and so I felt really gross and just bleh. So showers are good reset buttons for me. So that's what we did. Today I have some exciting things on the schedule. So first of all, not super exciting. I have a doctor's appointment in half an hour. So after I update you guys, I'm going to head out to the doctor. And it's just a short appointment to make sure that the medication that I'm on, a new medication, is working for me. I kind of feel like this appointment could have been like a virtual appointment, but it's all right. They didn't want to do that, so I'm going in today. And then at 4 p.m., I'm getting my hair done. So I know I just washed it, and I know they're going to wash it there, but I just didn't. I'm so self-conscious. You also let me know if you're this way as well. I just did not want to go to the hair salon with like gross hair because I was on third day hair. Even though I know she's going to wash it, I just didn't want nasty hair. I am getting color put in. Right now my hair is my natural color. I have red hair naturally with blonde balayage that I got done in the summer. I am going to do something different with my hair today. I'm going to keep it long, but I am going to have her trim off whatever is unhealthy. So I'm hoping it's not too much because I do like my long hair. But I am getting it colored and it's going to be in the general family of what my hair is right now, but it is going to be different and hopefully a little more winter. So you keep watching, you can see what I end up doing with my hair today. Anyways, I am going to head out to the doctor. I will see you guys later. Here's Queen Maui. She got groomed yesterday, so she's nice and cleaned up and fluffy. And she smells so good. Yes, this is her favorite spot. She likes to look out the window. Hello, friends. I just got out of the doctor. Yay. Everything's all good. Hopefully trying to figure out some of the problems of why I don't stay asleep at night. So if any of you guys have sleep problems, you should let me know any tips that you use to help you sleep better, because that is a problem that I currently have, unfortunately. I don't have a problem really falling asleep, but I have a problem staying asleep. So as you know, if you have sleep problems, those are very different sleep problems. My eye has not stopped twitching today. It's been twitching for like 2 weeks. And I thought it was because I haven't been drinking enough water, but I've literally drank so much water today. And it's still twitching. I have an hour and a half till my hair appointment. So I need to go get today's YouTube video up. So that's what we're gonna go do. I'm gonna go because clearly my camera doesn't like to stay up. It's my cell phone, that's why. So you can see me in my windshield. That's so funny. Okay, well, I'm gonna go. I'll talk to you guys later. All right, so I'm home now and I'm gonna work on my thumbnail. Maui, get off the table! What are you doing? She never does that. What was that? Oh my goodness, someone thinks she's a princess. So, working on my thumbnail. I'm actually gonna scratch this whole thing because I didn't like the way that was looking, but here's what I have to work with. And then I'm actually going to be having a thumbnail video. It's going up later next week about how I do my thumbnails because I got asked that a lot. So if you're interested in seeing that, make sure you subscribe because that will be going up next week. But anyways, I'm gonna work on this thumbnail and then I'm going to watch some Vlogmas videos while I do that. And then hopefully be able to have time to do my nails before I go to the hair salon, but we'll see what happens.
Yes!
That was really so
That's awesome. Kaycee, I love it.
It looks so good.
That's incredible. I love it.
Oh, really?
I'm in love with it.
You're in love with me?
I'm in love with you.
Oh. Okay, guys, I'm back from the hair salon. Are you ready for the reveal? Obviously I'm gonna have to do my eyebrows darker now because those do not match at all. So I might even have to go get like a different color. This lighting is not the best because obviously it's dark now. But yeah, I think it's really Christmassy and I'm so excited about it. So she did such a good job. So I highly recommend her to anyone that lives in my town. If you want to know who it is, let me know. Let me set you down. So yeah, I really love it. I think it is great for Christmas. It's exactly what I wanted. I'll put the picture on the screen that I was going for. She did such a good job. Stay tuned for tomorrow's vlog. I'm gonna finish the vlog here. Thank you guys so much for all your support. Love you, and I'll see you tomorrow.